हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल। आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है हाउ टू कन्वर्ट एचपी टू एम्पेयर और एचपी टू एम्पेयर कैलकुलेटर। मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द एम्पेयर इन ए मोटर। So the motor rating in HP, so we have to calculate the HP into ampere. So there is two system, first is single phase system और थ्री फेज सिस्टम। तो हम एक एक करके दोनों का निकालेंगे, सिंगल फेज सिस्टम और थ्री फेज सिस्टम के लिए। सो सिंगल फेज सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए मोटर दैट इज 3 HP motor. So we know that the current is equal to power upon voltage into power factor. So first we have to convert the HP to watt. So first we have to convert HP to watt, and we know that 1 HP is equal to 746 watt. So here is 3 HP motor, so convert 3 HP into watt. So 3 into 746, that is equal to 2238 watt. So we have to calculate I is equal to power upon V into power factor. So I is equal to power is 2238 upon voltage into power factor. So how to calculate the power factor? So the power factor is written in the motor nameplate. So we have to, there is the most probably the power factor is taken as, that is the value of 0.82, 0.85 or 95. So we have to calculate the value of current, and power factor is 0.8, and here we have to suppose that the voltage is 230 volt. So voltage equal to 230 volt. So we have to calculate the current value. So we have to calculate the current value. Here voltage is equal to 230 into power factor 0.8. So current is equal to 12.163 ampere. So this is the current value of the single phase system. Now come to the three phase system. So suppose here in this case we have to consider the 5 HP motor. So I is equal to, we know that power upon voltage into power factor, voltage into power factor. Similarly we have to convert the 5 HP motor into watt. So convert 5 HP to watt. So multiply the 5 into 746. So 5 into 746, that is equal to 3730 watt. Now comes to the calculate for the current value. So current is equal to power, that is 3730, and here is the important point is that this is the three phase system. So in the three phase system we have to multiply with this root 3. So this is multiply with this root 3, and voltage is 415 volt. Suppose the voltage is 415 volt, and power factor is similarly 0.8. So the current is equal to, that is 3730 divided by 575. So current is equal to 6.486 ampere. this is all about the single phase system and three phase system. So we have to calculate the value for the single phase system. Current is I is equal to 12.163, and for the three phase system current is 6.486 ampere. Now there is a shortcut trick is there, so we have to calculate the value easily. So the shortcut trick is that first, single phase system, so we have to convert HP to ampere. So HP into 3.7. For conversion of HP to ampere, we have to multiply with this 3.7 for the single phase system. Similarly, for the three phase system, so here we have to convert HP to ampere. So in this case we have to multiply HP with the value of 1.3. so here we have to take the value of 5 HP motor is there for the three phase system, so multiply 5 into 1.3, that is 6.5. so in the previous case, similarly we have to see that the I value is 6.4, that is approximately equal to 6.5, and here we have to calculate through the shortcut trick, and here is the value is same 6.5. so this is the shortcut tricks. So we have to calculate the value of HP to ampere for any motor for single phase system and three phase system. So this is all about the conversion of single phase and three phase system for HP to ampere. So thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel Basic Electrical.